Logos. Sierra Vista by Bright Sky Residential. Equal housing opportunity. Accessible. A single-family home stands on a lot in a neighborhood. It has a driveway up to the garage and a covered porch and is 2 stories. A man walks a dog down the sidewalk and the sun shines down on the neighborhood of similar housing units. The truck pulls into a driveway and parks inside a garage. The housing development stands on the edge of a town with brown and green fields around it. There are no trees in the new neighborhood. The fenced backyards have grass and the front yards are desert style with landscaped shrubs and soil. Inside one house, a woman opens a fridge in a corner kitchen with an island. The cabinets are a neutral wood finish and the countertops and tile-style backsplash are white. The kitchen is open to a dining room with a sliding glass door and a window. The other side of the kitchen is open to the living room, which has ceiling lights and windows. There is a pool and a clubhouse on the end of one block. The woman and a girl sit on the grass in a backyard and play. The door to a house opens up to a foyer and stairs, with the living room beyond the stairs. A man walks inside and sets a bag of groceries on the kitchen island. A bedroom has a window, daybed, and desk. The window looks out from the second floor at a car parked on the curb. The backyard has a covered patio outside the sliding glass doors. The man carries plates of food out of his house and walks down the sidewalk. A man, woman, and girl in swimsuits walk into the clubhouse and out to the pool deck. They also carry food and wave at the first man. They all sit at a covered picnic table near the pool and eat. Then they play in the pool, which is surrounded by lounge chairs and sun umbrellas. Later, the first man works at the desk in his bedroom. Another bedroom has a bed, dresser, and windows. A bathroom has a tub shower combo with a white tile-style surround and a vanity with white counter and dark cabinets. There is a stacked washer-dryer unit in a closet. A second bathroom mirrors the first. The first man and the man with the child meet outside and walk to the clubhouse together. They sit in the lounge and watch TV. There is a common kitchen near the lounge. Several bedroom layouts flash past, some with wallpaper or painted accent walls, and some with ceiling fans. Logos. Sierra Vista by Bright Sky Residential. Equal housing opportunity. Accessible.